Dear student, I will ask some words and sentence. Daily using simple sentence. Are you ready? Okay. First, I will ask small children. I will ask word. Sanket, stand up. Come means come. Go. Hogo. Sit. Stand up. Very good. Sit down. Clap. Next sentence I will ask. Taste it. Raise your hand. Taste it. Very good. Give me. Give me. Sin. I will ask you. Stand up. Joshi, loudly tell me. Nanage kodu. Good. Sit down. Go there. Go there. Sanvi. Very good. Turn back. Turn back. Tipesha. Very good. Good boy. Change it. It means first. It. Change it. Very good. Idannu badalisu. Good. Don't delay. Don't delay. Don't delay. Very good. Good boy. Knowledge means? Very good. Make?
Madu.
Good. Honest?
Pramanika.
Very good. I don't want. I don't want.
ನೀನು ಯಾರು?
No.
ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಡ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋ, ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಶೌಟ್. Your teacher used in your school. Don't shout, student.
ಬೇಗ ಬಾ.
No. No.
ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ.
ಕೂಗಬೇಡ. Sit down. What?
ಕೂಗಬೇಡ.
ಕೂಗಬೇಡ.